Hello students, now we have completed the A section of comprehension. Today we start the B section of comprehension where we write the answer of 50 words. Now the first question is in this poem Cowper has used the language and background of the courtroom to provide humorous effect. Explain. So you have to explain this line. Now the answer is in the poem, the poet name is Cowper. In the poem, the poet has used the language and background of a courtroom. He did so because he wished to produce a humorous effect. In the poem, the nose and the eyes are two opposite parties. They are in the courtroom with a strange dispute. Both of them have claimed their right over the spectacles. Tongue plays the role of a lawyer. The ear fulfills the role of the chief baron to balance the law. The poet has also used legal language to make his readers enjoy the dispute. Now go to the second question. What do you understand by the title Report of an Edged Case? Now the title Report of an Edged Case deals with a strange dispute between the nose and eyes. It was decided officially in the court of law. The poem presents a report on the same case. In this case, the tongue worked as a lawyer from both sides. The ear sat like the chief baron to balance the law. And at last, humorously enough, the case was decided in favor of the nose. The judge ear declared that eyes should be shut whenever the nose puts the spectacles on. So students, these are the answers of your 50-word question. So you have to write it in your fair notebook. And to see the answer of these questions, you tap your documentary Study Yourself below your video. Thank you.